Weiss, why did you trim some Microsoft?
Yeah.
Why did you do that? I mean, the chart obviously doesn't look that great. Year to date, it's down 2.5%. It is the only, I believe, stock out of the Mag 7 that's negative over the past year, down 2.5%.
Yeah, so
now it's got OpenAI overhang too.
Yeah, so I've trimmed it. I think that can be a positive actually, because they're not exclusively tied to them. But I trimmed it for a few reasons. The first is I don't see the future this year changing all that much for them. So I didn't cut it completely. It's still a core position, but I did cut it because it is a permanent compounder, and we've been through periods of this before. So I don't think it's going to outperform. I wanted to lower some of my exposure to the market, and specifically to the Mag 7, and I want to have some more cash to deploy because I'm not so sure we can continue to go straight up.
But if you're worried about, you're talking about the consumer, and You're like, well, retail's a problem with tariffs. You just bought Dick's Sporting Goods again.
I did, and the reason for that is even when we go through recession, not every retailer loses. There are some that have a unique value proposition, like in Netflix, for example, but also Dick's Sporting Goods. Sure, there are regional players in the retail sporting goods, but the management and the new management continues to excel with their online, with their e-commerce, with their in-store, and it's a unique experience, and they have managed all cycles extremely well. So it's also one of the cheapest stocks in my portfolio, as it should be. It's a retailer, but they don't report for a month or so. I just think it's an attractive stock to own.